Hi students, Maths class Standard 7. Let us start the next chapter, Exponents and Powers for 7th Standard students. Here, the mass of the earth is written on the board. Can you read this number? This is a large number. There are about 25 digits. We cannot read this number. These large numbers can be expressed as exponents. We know that 10,000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. In the last chapter, we have learned that x into x is equal to x square and x into x. If we multiply 3 times x, we get x raised to 3. These are exponential form. Or we can write 10,000 as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 10 raised to 4. This can be read as 10 raised to the power of 4 and simply we read it as 10 raised to 4. Any number multiplied itself by 2 or 3 times, we can be express that number in exponential form. This 10 is called base and 4 is called power or exponent. Power or exponent. 5 raised to 7, which is the base. 5 is the base and 7 is the exponent. Let us do the exercise 13.1. First one, find the value of 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6. That is, 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. That is 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. Next one, 9 raised to 3. 9 raised to 3 is 9 is multiplied itself by 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 12, 81. 81 into 9. 81 into 9 equal, and 1 9. 9 into 8, 72. That is 729. Next question, express in exponential form. Product form is given 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is multiplied 4 times. That is 6 raised to 4. Next one, express using exponential notation. Here a large number is given 512. Then we can find the product of their prime numbers as by prime factorization of 512. For this, first we check whether this 512 is divisible by 2, because 2 is the first prime number. The last digit is 2. If the number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its unit place, it is divisible by 2. So 512 is divisible by 2. Then we can divide this 512 by 2. The smallest prime number which is divisible by, which can divide the number 512 is 2. So we divide this 512 by 2. On dividing, we get 512 divided by 2. 2 times 2 into 2, 4. 1, give 1. 5 times 10. Remainder 1, 2, 6 times 256. Again we multiply this, divide this 256 by 2. Then 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. If you cannot divide this by long division, we can use this method of finding 256 by 2 and write the quotient. Okay, next we can divide this number by 2 again. Then 6 times, 4 times. 2, 32, is 16. Again 2, 8, 2, 4, again 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 9 is the exponential form of 512. Next one, express as the product of prime powers of prime numbers. First we divide 648 by 2. 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. Again 2, 1, 6, 2. Again 2, 8, 1. Then 81 is not divisible by 2. Then we check divisibility of 3. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. So if the number is divisible, not divisible by 2, then we check the divisibility of 3. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide 81 by 3. 2 times 7. 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. Okay, next 3. Again 27 is divisible by 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. So the exponential form is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 3 times. So 2 raised to 3 into 3 4 times. 4 raised to 3. Next one, which is greater? 4 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 4. First we find 4 raised to 3. That's equal to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Next 3 raised to 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. Which is greater? 64 or 81? 64 is less than 81. So we can write 4 raised to 3 less than 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is greater. Next one, simplify. Simplify means we multiply the number with the exponent, then write it as a simple number. 2 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. That's equal to 2 into 1000. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. 2 into 1000, 2000. Next one, 7 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2, 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 4. 49 into 4 is 9 fours are 36. 3. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 3, 90. That is 196. Okay, this exercise 13 one is over. Next topic will be learning next class.